Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about how to improve your body fitness. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your fitness to the next level, these tips will help you get stronger, fitter, and healthier. First, let's talk about setting clear fitness goals. It's important to have a plan in place. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or increase endurance, defining your goals will keep you motivated and on track. Write down what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable steps. Next, consistency is key. To see real results, you need to stick to a regular workout routine. Aim to exercise at least 4 to 5 times a week, mixing up your workouts to keep things interesting. Combine strength training with cardio and flexibility exercises for a well-rounded fitness plan. Don't forget about strength training. Building muscle not only shapes your body, but also boosts your metabolism. Include exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and weightlifting in your routine. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. Cardio is essential too. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, or even brisk walking can improve your cardiovascular health and help burn calories. Try to include at least 30 minutes of cardio in your routine, 3 to 4 times a week. Nutrition plays a huge role in fitness. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Focus on lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Staying hydrated is also crucial, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Recovery is just as important as working out. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and giving your muscles time to recover. Incorporate rest days into your schedule and consider activities like yoga or stretching to improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Lastly, track your progress and stay patient. Fitness is a journey, and it's important to celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's lifting heavier weights, running a little faster, or just feeling more energetic, every step forward is progress. So, if you're ready to improve your body fitness, start applying these tips today. With dedication and consistency, you'll be on your way to a healthier, stronger you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and health tips. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.